This is going to be a video tutorial on how to restore the default settings on the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To restore the default settings, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go all the way down toward the bottom to where it says Reset Settings. Click on Reset Settings. Then on the center pane, it says Reset Settings, Restore Settings to their original defaults. You want to click on that. Then a little dialog box will pop open saying Reset Settings. This action will reset some Brave settings and Brave shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history, and save passwords won't be affected. You would click on Reset Settings. I'm not going to reset my settings, but that is how you reset your settings in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.